the front yard garden tour. It is what, the 24th, Polly? July 2025. She's so cute. Buddy. Hi. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi to the camera? Say hello. Say hi. Grapevines. Doing fantastic. I actually cleaned them up already. They could have been 3 times longer. I'm keeping things tight and clean. Got a few hundred vines. These are the white, and then I got the red on the other side. Fabric pots, 15 gallons, talls. Been working with them for 5 years, and as I've been working with this company that now can't even get these pots because of the tariffs, I've been getting the bigger sizes, and the bigger sizes are really fun to work with because I'm tall, 6'6", and these, as you can see, I don't have to bend over too much. So the 15s, I got some 7s, 2s. I got all the sizes. Eventually, chipping away at that 950 SSDI. Disability. Shout out to you, government. Fucking shit up. Y'all are so fucking stupid, but we're not gonna get into all that. Making America great. Corn, red corn. I wanted to see how they would start just sitting on top, and that's a good start. You just saw a bunch of corn seeds that didn't start. Some died. Then I tried to do some transplanting in these 1-gallon fabric tall pots. Some are growing, some are not. A little Medijinski, little tomato. Oh, no, that's, excuse me, vine, grapevine. Tomatoes are in the back over there. You can see the red dots. Oak tree from seed. Oh, look at all these tomatoes. Very nice. Let's do a little tomato harvesting right now. I tell you. I don't know why we have so much white, whatever it is. It's weird. It's coming from the sky. White powder. I don't know what it is. Wow. Very good. Little barrage. Grapevines. Some more corn. I was going to do a microgreen corn. And I had 50 pounds of it. 50-pound back seed that I've kept around for like 3 years. So, finally did a run. And got different sizes. I got this one here. It's doing its thing. Creating some beautiful corn cob. How cute is that? Maybe make some tamales. Got this big one right here that I accidentally bent over. Hopefully it comes back. Come on, bubba. Another barashki. I've been propagating her for about 6 years. More barrages over there. Barrage sticking up from the little grapevine patch. This is purple grapes from ARC. And this right here is all of it getting propagated. These, bunch of grapes. All grapes. Polly, what you doing? What you doing over there? Strawberries. Working on the propagation. Got these cool strawberry pots. So you can see there's little holes here. So as they're coming out, beep, as they're creating new plants from these runners, beep, just like that. Push it in, and now it's in. Ha 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 ha. Beautiful, beautiful strawberry plants from Siberia, from what I've heard. Well, the person I got it from bought a house from a Russian lady. These renters, they don't want to move with this rental California laws. So sad. So her only option was to get rid of her house. So she sold it to my friend, And he let me, while I was helping him with cleaning and stuff, so he let me grab a few of these. So these I got in strawberry pots, and I've been propagating them, and these are in regular pots. And learning how the strawberry world works. Every plant has its own approach. It's funny, you know, everything needs oxygen, everything needs air, right? But everything reacts differently. Look at all those. Oh my God. I missed this one. I didn't see it. I love it. Beautiful. Tomatoes coming in. Taking tomatoes down. I like. Nice little harvest. And they're like sun-dried tomatoes. They'll dry up on the vine. Aye. Alright, got it. Haha. Gonna bless my neighbor real quick. Только что снял. Я тебя люблю. Polly, come check out these corns. This is all corn. The microgreen seeds that are doing fantastically. Lunix lettuce up there up top. La penta. Say hi, baby. He is so cute. Corn a little bit everywhere. Just playing around with the seeds right now, figuring things out. These pots, fruit trees, cuttings, they need time. So I've got fig cuttings, fruit trees in each pot, and then I'm growing out lettuce, very rare exotic lettuce, very hardy lettuce, and bolting them, creating seeds. So several things I'm doing beyond building soil. These have actually worms in here. There's no holes, so worms will not come out. I just got to make sure they get watered. Worms are creating natural poop, fertilizer. So I'm able to now have, and the tall pot, because from seed you have a long taproot. So as big as the plant looks, that's how big the bottom is, the root. So these match perfectly. So a lot going on. Oh, and then weed guard at the bottom. So there's no weeds that are going to be growing. Oh, and I'm building soil down here. Because worms, they like moisture and all that good stuff. Microbes. So everything here is like a science project. And it's working out real good. A little squirrel, you see? Where you at, little baby? She's jumping around everywhere. Aww. Alright. Mushmala, which is kumquat. Mushmala is in Russian. Another figgy. Avocado from seed. She's about 4 years now. 3? Going on 4? 4 years? Dinosaur kale. I just cleaned her up. When I say cleaned her up, you can see the little tissues. Been cleaning her. And sending all the energy to this new fresh stuff. And this is a 3-year-old. It's called dino kale. Dinosaur kale. It looks like dinosaur scales. Really special plant. Baker Creek. Was it Mississippi or Missouri? One of those. All my fruit trees are from seed. I got some special ones back there that I bought from nursery. But these, for the most part, are... Well, I'm going to be propagating them. I think this is a pear. I can graft onto it. So all these are rootstocks that I can work with. Roses. Another kale, I forgot what kind. And it's like, again, 3rd year now growing. You can see by the stalks. Plum. from backyard. This is from seed that I've been, as you can see, it's in a small pot and then in a bigger pot. So I've been graduating her over the years. And they didn't even start coming out with these till like 2 years ago. This is all brand new. All right, so, oh, and they just shut down the tariffs. Now I can't even bring my pots in. So that's why I want my own factory out here in Sacramento. All right, plum from seed. Cut her down, trimmed her down because I grafted her to my backyard plum. My backyard plum, Japanese plum, is green. Regular plum, this is a sour plum, I think. It's red. So I have a cutting clone that's going to give me Japanese plums. How cool is that? More strawberry pots when I'm ready to work with them. They're just chilling right now. Got strawberry pots all over here. There's about 15, 20. Anyways, as you can see, the masterpiece. A few more cherry tomatoes ripening up. This little sorrel. Red vein sorrel. These are a couple-year-old plants. Red sorrel? I don't know if it's all sorrel. Well, I guess all sorrel. It takes a very long time to grow. It took me like 3 months to even get the plant started. And I'm talking about when I say started, like that big. Right? 3 months. I mean, it grows. Oh, Lord have mercy. Little hemskis. Little red vein sorrels. Got some roses propagating. Oh, little baby. Let's do a smell test. Wow. Unbelievable. I mean, there's barely a rose on here, and the smell was so aromatic. All this from seeds, little hempskis. Just having fun with it. I got more seeds than America has money. Oh, wait, you're all in debt. God bless the country. Little cornskis, little grapevines. I'm fun with it. This is from seed, and I've been playing with grafting, so I'm trying to learn how it works. It's not working, but I'm working on it. I'm trying. You know, as long as you put up the shots, you can't go wrong. You're not missing. Little tomatoes. Again, this is propagating for about 5-6 years. Oh, no, excuse me, 8 years. 2017 is when I started these. So I've been picking up the best ones that are going to stay alive, stay hardy. Watering them doesn't help produce fruit, but I've been hitting my garden off top, hitting flowers, and it's still producing fruit. So there's a lot of things that I'm looking at as I'm growing the plant and then harvesting the seeds and starting new babies. Fig, and I got two kind of figs. One's my backyard, giving me beautiful purple medium-sized pigs, and then I got massive figs from Rio Linda property. That guy, same guy that I was telling you about earlier, he was selling his little 6.5 acre farm, and finally was getting out of this whole mess, and so I was able to get some clones, clean up the grapevines and propagate them. So I've started, well, beyond the figs at his place, I got some grapes as well of his in the backyard. These are the purple grapes I was telling you about that I've cleaned up. I've already cut them here. I can't even tell. Oh, right here. So I cut the vine here, and now there's new little vinies. Beautiful. Rooted. Oops. Well, that's dry, but this is all fresh. This is the vine. So grapevines. I'm a grapevine propagator. I have fun with it. Licorice, fennel, ready with these seeds. Oh, I should start these in the humidifier, or greenhouse, the indoor greenhouse. I got some drying right now in the garage too, so I can't wait to get that going. Thornless blackberry, Oh, cute little harvest. This is a black butter. Nice and clean too. Very sweet. I like. Beautiful. And it's sitting in a 15-gallon pot. Couple more ready to go. I need some girls' mouths. Video content creating. These are the Olga cherry beef tomato. You see how it's thick? It looks like a beefsteak. It's not super tiny and round. I wish I could have showed you another one. So these are the baby. I had Olga's Russian tomato from Russia sitting right here. And then next to it, I bought the cherry tomato that was really short, tight, and bushy and created a bunch of fruit, right? For the moon. We don't have space. We got to create all the tomatoes we can get. It looks similar like this. This is a different breed that I bought. It kind of looks like more, now it looks more beefsteaky. It's like I feel like this is what I should have created, but not yet. This I got at a nursery that I started in a pot, then I put it in a bigger pot. I can't even get to this. But it's growing. That's another thing, it's very hardy. This is not me. I didn't start any of this. The cherries though, I did. And they're doing unbelievable. Oh, a little melon. A little cute little melony. These are some seeds that I had stored away from, I think it was a dollar store from like 3 years ago, back when they were open. And can't believe how these vines are taking off. I can't even get water really over here. I'm not trying to, but I got the couch and everything for you girls, if you know what I mean. Alright, anyways, I got these water jugs. These are, what, 250 gallons? Something like that. And, I got about 8 of these now. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are cool. Shout out to my beekeeper. Food importer. We bring, he's got 14,000 tons. Or excuse me, 14 tons. So that's like 24,000 or 28,000 pounds of corn that he brought in. He's already sold like a quarter of it. And we're just trying to keep things moving and possibly invest into like 5,000, 10,000 chickens, depending on the property, and start producing eggs. Just a good way to bring back to the earth. And eggs are very important with baking and eating and creating. So I feel like it'd be a win-win. Alright, y'all. This video is getting deep. The uploads are, well, eventually going to be not cheap. Right now, they take time. Can't wait for this money to finally start promoting this beautiful channel. Subscribe and love back. Love back, baby. A little more corn. Cigar tobacco. Ooh. Producing some seeds. I like it. She's so delicate and soft. Sticky too. Alright, y'all. Love you. And stay tuned to the next episode. Bada bing, bada boom.